There's a faster way to solve electrical problems, and you can't afford to work without it. Introducing the FLIR DM284 with IGM, a true RMS digital multimeter equipped with a built-in thermal imager. IGM visually guides you to the precise spot that needs further testing and investigation. Its impressive 160 by 120 resolution helps show you exactly where problems are brewing. You'll pinpoint hotspots more efficiently and safely, speed up troubleshooting, and find problems you might have missed without IGM. The DM284 can perform 18 measurement functions, giving you trusted readings each and every time, no matter how complex the problem may seem. It comes with high-quality test probes and a Type K thermocouple input, so you can capture thermal and electrical measurements simultaneously. You'll love the smart design and functionality, from the intuitive user interface, onboard laser pointer, and LED work lights, to the multiple color palettes that help make it easier to see temperature patterns on the large display. It's everything you need from a professional multimeter. Add the optional TA04 accessory and extend the DM284's battery life up to 30 hours. Durable, drop-tested, and built to last. The DM284 with IGM. The faster way to troubleshoot problems and get more done. Exclusively from FLIR.